morning and welcome to our celebration assembly, having reached the end of the week. Before I read you this week's winners, I would like to once again say a huge thank you for all the incredible donations that we had as part of our Harvest Festival. Yesterday afternoon the donations were loaded up onto the minibus and were taken down to the City Mission Food Bank, where they will be distributed amongst those people who really need our help at this most difficult time. And one young member of our community in particular is worthy of significant praise for putting together 50 boxes of items to be distributed. So very well done to that young man, and you know who you are. We now look forward to our commendations, and the emphasis today is on quality rather than quantity. As we head towards the end of this first half of term, it does appear that we might be running out of steam a little. We will keep going right until the end, but I'm sure we will all deserve a break when half term comes next week. In the meantime, commendations this morning go to the following. In Year 1, Tamu and Tahim, both for English, and I saw, Tamu and Tahim, your English plans for your story, which I'm sure is going very well indeed, and lovely they were, well put together, and you can now, I'm sure, go off and write that story, and I'm certain it'll be absolutely magnificent. Sahil, Ibrahim and Indy, also in Year 1, you get commendations for PSHE and those wonderful COVID safety information posters that you did, telling us what we all should be doing to try to keep ourselves safe at this particular moment in time, so very well done to you. Jefferson M in Year 3 for your Lexia work, well done to you. And Sanjeethan, also in Year 3, for your wonderful science work, and again that focused on COVID-19 coronavirus and trying to keep ourselves safe and spotting the warning signs, so very well done to you. In Year 4, Thomas H, you get a commendation for art and that wonderful geometric pattern you did, which impressed Miss Moore so much. Manveer B in Year 4, you get a commendation for completing toe by toe. Now, to the uninitiated, toe by toe is a significant undertaking which takes more than days or weeks or even months, and to get to the end of the toe by toe program is something really rather special indeed. So Manveer, you get a commendation, but you also get 15 good work points for that, so very well done to you. Lalit S in Year 5, you get a commendation for creative writing. And Naman C in Year 6, you get a commendation for a wonderful piece of creative writing, writing a story in chapters, a lengthy undertaking indeed, so very well done to you. And our final commendation this morning goes to Jack J in Year 5, who, as part of the enrichment program, has clearly spent a huge amount of time creating a board game based on Monopoly, and the board game focuses on the world of David Walliams, and one can see the detail and the effort that has gone into this undertaking, and Jack, well worthy of a Headmaster's commendation for your enrichment work, and the enrichment work that I'm seeing throughout the school, I have to say, is very pleasing and encouraging indeed. So those are our commendations for this week. There may well be one or two more next week. I would also just like to say to any parents who are tuning in, Holiday Club, at this stage we are of course planning to go ahead with our Holiday Club, but things move very quickly at this moment in time. and any last minute bookings for Holiday Club during half term, can we please have them today. Enjoy the day, enjoy the weekend, and I'll see you next week.